वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन एंड के लिए डियर व्यूवर्स एंड लर्नर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आपके सिलेबस में जो एवरीडे साइंस है, इस पर हमने वन लाइनर बनाया, वन लाइनर ऑन फिजिक्स, वन लाइनर ऑन केमिस्ट्री एंड आज का जो ये वीडियो है ये है वन लाइनर ऑन बायोलॉजी। लेट अस स्टार्ट वन लाइनर ऑन बायोलॉजी। फर्स्ट इज बायोलॉजी इज डिफाइंड एज द साइंस ऑफ लाइफ एंड लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। सो बायोलॉजी क्या है? बायोसाइंस इज डिफाइंड एज ए साइंस ऑफ लिविंग एंड लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। इसके बाद द टर्म बायोलॉजी, हु कॉइनड द टर्म बायोलॉजी? द टर्म बायोलॉजी वाज कॉइनड इन 1802 में बाय लेमार्क एंड ट्रेवरनस। एरिस्टोटल 384 to 322 BC में is called the father of biology. Who is called the father of biology? Is known as Aristotle is called the father of biology. Viticulture is a study of cultivation and harvesting of. Viticulture is another form of cultivation. It is related with grapes. So the cultivation and harvesting of grapes is known as viticulture. I see the study of parasitic worms is called helminthology. So helminthology is the study of parasitic worms. The scientific study of soil is called pedology. What is the cultivation and study of flowers called? Another department which is related with cultivation and study of flowers is known as floriculture. So floriculture is the cultivation and study of flowers. Fossils plants are studied under fossil plants are studied under paleobotany. V.R. Khanolkar is considered the father of pathology in India. Who is considered as the father of pathology in India is V.R. Khanolkar. The scientific study and comparison of human races is called ethnology. So ethnology is the scientific study and comparison of human races. Study of structure and function of skeleton and bones is study of structure and function of skeleton and bones is called osteology. Study of dreams. The study of dreams is called oenology. What is the study of spores and pollen grains called palynology? What is hydroponics related to? What is hydroponics related to? It is related to cultivation of plants without soils. Physiology is the scientific study of. It is the scientific study of how organs and organ systems function. Who was the first to define the concept of evolution? So Charles Darwin in 1859 defined the concept of evolution. Charles Darwin propounded the theory of evolution in his famous book is The Origin of Species, which was published in 1859. So Charles Darwin propounded the theory of evolution in his famous book The Origin of Species, published in 1859 What is the main factor of evolution? Main factor of evolution as per Charles Darwin is natural selection. Who propounded the mutation theory of evolution? Mutation theory of evolution, Hugo de Vries in 1901 to 1903. सो आज का जो वीडियो है इस किस पर बनाया? वन लाइनर ऑन बायोलॉजी। जैसे कि प्रीवियस वीडियो हमने बनाए वन लाइनर ऑन फिजिक्स, मोर पॉइंट्स ऑन फिजिक्स, मेमोरेबल पॉइंट्स ऑन केमिस्ट्री। वो आज का जो बनाया वन लाइनर ऑफ बायोलॉजी जो रिलेटेड है एज पर योर सिलेबस एवरीडे साइंस। अदर इज द ऑरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ on earth is believed to be about कितने 4 billion years ago. Which is the oldest known fossils record found on earth? Which is the oldest known fossils recorded on earth is below green algae. Which is the oldest known living organism? The oldest known living organism is Great Basin Bristlecone pine. Great Basin bristlecone pine is the oldest known living organism. Who proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis? Enzyme hypothesis, George Bradley and Edward Tatum. Who gave the operon theory? Who gave the operon theory? It is given by Jacob and Monod. The connecting link between reptiles and birds. Archaeopteryx is the connecting link between reptiles and birds. Who is the author of the book Systema? So, Carolus Linnaeus is the author of the book Systema Naturae. Who proposed the five kingdom classification? The five kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whitaker in 1969. Which is the largest phylum of animal kingdom? Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. Who introduced the concept of species? Introduction of Ernest Mayr introduced the concept of species. Who discovered bacteriophages? William Toward and Felix D. Hurley in 1917. Who causes whooping cough? Bacteria Botula potosis. BB potosis. Antibiotics are mainly obtained from bacteria. What causes anthrax disease in animals? Bacillus anthracis. What are the thread-like structures in fungi called hyphae? What are the thread-like structures in fungi called hyphae? From which fungi penicillin was prepared? Penicillium chrysotium. From which fungi penicillin was prepared? Penicillium chrysotium. Which class of plants are called flowering? Angiosperm is the class of plants called flowering plants. Plants that possess spores and embryo but lack vascular tissues and seeds. Bryophyta. Which is the largest plant of Bryophytes class? Dawsonia. Photosynthesis takes place in special organelles known as chloroplast. Which plants lack xylem vessels? Gymnosperms. Which algae produces iodine? Laminaria brown algae, जिसको brown algae भी कहा जाता है, laminaria. So which algae produces iodine? Laminaria brown algae. Which is the smallest plant of angiosperm? Wolffia. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia arnoldi. Which fungi grow on cattle dung? Coprophilus. What is Azula? An aquatic form. Hippocrates 1460 to 370. Hippocrates 460 to 370 BC is considered as the father of Western medicine. Yeah, father of medicine is known as Hippocrates. How many bones are there in a shark fish? No bones. No bones are found in shark fish. Which is the largest mammal? Whale. The venom of cobra is neurotoxic. Three-chambered heart is found in amphibians. Termites are also known as white ants. Which respiratory organ is present in cockroach? Trachea. Which respiratory organ is present in cockroach is trachea. A state when animals go into a state of long sleep during winter for survival is called. So when animals go into state of long sleep during winter for survival is. So hibernation is a state in which animals go into state of long sleep during winter for survival. The glow of firefly is due to the presence of which enzyme? Luciferin. In which part of the root there is maximum growth? Behind the apex. Which chemical is found in tobacco leaves? In tobacco leaves, the chemical known as nicotine. Which plant is also known as herbal Indian doctor? जिसको herbal Indian doctor से पुकारा जाता है आंवला gooseberry. Onion is a modified form of stem. What is allogamy? The fertilization of a flower by pollen from another flower, especially one on a different plant. Pollination in maize occur by air. Where does the Calvin cycle takes place in plants? It takes place in stroma. So आज का जो वीडियो है ये है वन लाइनर ऑन बायोसाइनस या वन लाइनर ऑन बायोलॉजी. First, biology defined as the science of life and living organism. I see who termed the term biology was coined by Lamarck and Treviranus in 1802. To like our YouTube channel Education Enclave, subscribe and share with friends and to watch these videos continuously. God bless you.